Morning children, welcome back to the social session. Children, we have been learning about the making of the laws in the state assembly. How the laws are prepared we haven't seen, but we were learning about its legislative assembly. So how the proceedings are conducted in the legislative assembly and how the people get elected to the legislative assembly we have seen. Legislative assembly is nothing but the state assembly we call it as, and the member of these assemblies are called as MLAs, that is member of legislative assemblies, and they will be in the position for a tenure of 5 years, and for every 5 years elections will be conducted. If they get elected again, re-elected again, they come back, otherwise in their place a new person gets elected. The Telangana State Assembly consists of 119 members, and how these 119 members, out of these, how the government gets elected we have seen already. Yesterday I gave you two examples. In the first example, 75 seats who got out of 119 will form the government easily. But in the second example, no single party has got the majority. That means nobody has got about 60 seats. So in that case, two or more parties will form into an alliance, एक group बन के they will form the government. They will cross the magic figure 60 जो है वो cross होके they will form the government. So that majority vote, that mean that magic figure we call it as. अब देखो 2 दिन से अमेरिका इलेक्शंस में भी एक मैजिक फिगर के लिए they were fighting. What is the magic figure in American presidential election, children? 217 electoral votes जिसको आती है, he will become the president of America. मगर जो बाइडन को जो है वो 264 आया और 6 सीटों का ज़रूरत है, इलेक्टोरल वोट्स का ज़रूरत है उसको. सो दैट इज़ अ मैजिक फिगर. दैट मैजिक फिगर इन आवर स्टेट असेंबली इज 60. 60 से ज़्यादा किसको आती है, दे विल फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट इन आवर स्टेट असेंबली. अगर किसी को भी नहीं आया, जैसे हमारा सेकंड एग्जांपल में 45 एक को, 33 एक को, 26 एक को और 15 एक को आया समझो, देन नोबडी कैन फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट. इन सच केस 2 पार्टीज एंड 2 or more parties will form एज एन अलायंस. अभी सेंट्रल में था ना एनडीए गवर्नमेंट और यूपीए गवर्नमेंट, किसी को भी मेजॉरिटी नहीं आया तो दे फॉर्म इनटू एन अलायंस, एनडीए नेशनल डेमोक्रेटिक अलायंस, यूपीए यूनाइटेड प्रोग्रेसिव अलायंस, अलायंस बन के गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करते थे. And today we learn about how the proceedings of the assembly are conducted. Generally, the assembly members, that means MLAs, will elect a person called as a speaker. Speaker को elect कर लेते हो लोग, speaker elect कर लेते. And this speaker will conduct the meetings of the assembly. हमारा present तेलंगाना state assembly का speaker जो है वो पोचारम श्रीनिवास रेड्डी. Pocharam Srinivas Reddy. He is the speaker of our present Telangana Legislative Assembly. So he will conduct the proceedings of the assembly, and he decides what should be discussed and who should be given the mic. And if anyone disobeys the rule of the speaker, then he also has the power to punish the MLAs. Speaker को उतना power रहती. As mentioned above, the assembly has to approve all the laws and policies which are introduced in the house, which are relating to the levying of taxes by the government. Before the approval, the members discusses the proposals very carefully. सभी लोग जो है उसके ऊपर discuss करके और सही समझे तो उसको pass करते रहते हैं. And they express different views before passing the bill. And thus the benefits of the ill effects of such bill can be discussed in great detail, and it can be reported through the newspapers and TV channels also. The MLAs also keep the track of developments in their constituencies, and अगर उसके constituency में कुछ problem आया तो उसको discuss करने के लिए assembly को लेके आ सकते हैं. The minister concerned to that department will answer his question and will find a suitable solution for that. The ministers and the cabinet, including the chief minister, are answerable to the assembly. Assembly में कोई भी क्वेश्चन आया तो उसको आंसर देने का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जो है वो कैबिनेट पे रहती है. कैबिनेट बोले तो चीफ मिनिस्टर इंक्लूडिंग, चीफ मिनिस्टर इज आल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू द हाउस. इफ द आंसर इज नॉट सेटिस्फैक्ट्री, अगर मैं क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद जो मिनिस्टर सॉल्यूशन दिया था, इफ दैट इज नॉट सेटिस्फैक्ट्री, then the members may be force the concerned minister to resign from the post also. That also will take place. मगर इधर और एक हाउस भी रहती. You should not forget our Telangana, apart from the legislative assembly, we also have legislative council है children हमारे पास. ये लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल के बारे में आज पढ़ेंगे हम. ओके, द टोटल स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल इज ऑफ आवर तेलंगाना इज 14 plus 14, 28 plus 6 plus 2, 28 plus 12, 40 members. The total strength of the legislative council is 40 members, and how these 40 members get elected by the people indirectly we will see in the next class, children. Thank you.